3, 2,
1, go!
everything that is anti-podcast.
I like this hashtag injured
Yeah,
baddie.
hashtag injured baddie.
I'm all shimmer and shine, babies. I think lockup was my first and my last. Biologically, mentally, emotionally, men lack certain kind of intellectual comfort and understanding. मैं तो हूँ man hater वाले phase में हूँ अभी तो मैं फिलहाल.
मेरा भी चल ही रहा है बहुत टाइम से.
I'm a very peaceful, fun-loving, happy-go-lucky person.
Yeah, no, I love it. Styled by Akansha Chamola.
This is so cool. Clock it.
Mallika Sherawat.
I like her presence on screen, but her personal styling, I think I'll give her a 6 on 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, of what I've seen her in Traitors.
Hi everyone, welcome to Pinkvilla Lifestyle Plus. I'm your host Tanisha, and by now you already know that this is not a podcast. Here we're going to do everything except podcasting, but there's going to be a little bit of wonderful conversation as well. Today I'm being joined by someone who has not only inspired us with her creativity and her fun side, but she is also the DIY queen. Please welcome the lovely and stunning Akansha Chamola. Hi Akanksha, welcome to Not a Podcast. We are so happy to have you here. Do you have any idea about what are we going to do today?
I have zero clue about anything that is going to happen.
So basically we're going to do everything that is anti-podcast. Like thoda bahut conversation hoga, but aage we're going to have a lot of fun.
Okay. I'm all in for fun. Let's go.
Okay. Firstly, I want to ask you what happened to your leg and how are you still managing to look like a diva?
I don't know whether I'm managing it or no. I'm struggling though. But ये यार छोटी मोटी injuries हो जाती है. I've managed to like hurt my knee, and then I've managed to hurt my ribs, and then I don't know what all I've managed to hurt apart from my mental health as well. तो but ठीक है. Good looks के साथ तो हम तो ये चले ही जाता है. मैं क्या ही करना है.
Definitely, and you're pulling it off very well also.
Thank you.
Injured baddie.
I like this hashtag injured
Yeah,
baddie.
hashtag injured baddie.
I really like it. Nice. I love your hair.
Yeah, thank you
That's
so
a
much.
very cool color. You know, I've never colored my hair.
Never?
मैं जब भी करूँगी ना, I think this is going to be my color.
Yeah.
It's
You
so
look
good.
like Princess Jasmine today, you know, your
Do
whole
I?
hair, the dress, everything. Yes.
thank
It's
you.
giving Princess Jasmine. Now, tell me one thing. How was your experience going into lockup and doing reality TV?
First captive reality.
Yeah.
So obviously I was very nervous, but I was also very excited. And then, see, the firsts are always very special.
Yeah.
But after doing lockup, I think I'm done with all captive reality. So I think lockup was my first and my last. That's it. I don't think I can ever do a captive reality after this.
Yeah. Does it leave an impact on your mental health in any
It
way?
does. It does.
It does. That's crazy. मैंने भी recently एक interview में अपूर्वा को बोलते हुए सुना था that इतना weird लगता है कि आपके मुंह के ऊपर जब आप सो रहे हो 4 कैमरा है and कोई और सब लॉकअप में इतने weird way में सो रहे थे like especially I think Ram Kapoor sir he was sleeping sometime with his mouth open hand like that and you know.
So, I mean, that is Apurva's experience.
Yeah.
But I just had an interview where I said, having cameras around you doesn't make at least a person like me uncomfortable because I come from a background where I'm an actress. 24/7, I'm there on camera. And if the camera is not capturing me, I think that is going to make me feel uncomfortable. And when you're entering captive reality, I think you're mentally prepared. Na? You're being captured with like
Yeah,
for
yeah,
anything and everything. So, मुझे अगर there was a thing that we used to do inside lockup where गिन के हम 15 इनमेट्स थे एंड आप कितना ही बात कर लोगे वो 15 लोगों से आपको सब काफी प्रिडिक्टेबल हो जाते थे टॉपिक्स भी एक पॉइंट पे सब सैचुरेट हो जाते थे कि अब हम कितना ही बात कर लेंगे क्या ही कर लेंगे झगड़ा भी कितना ही कर लेंगे तो एक पॉइंट पे हम एक्चुअली एटलीस्ट मैं एंड पैम हम कैमरा पे नॉट जस्ट मी एंड पैम ऑल ऑफ अस एट वन पॉइंट और द अदर वी यूज्ड टू गो टू द कैमरा एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू सी द कैमरा रिएक्टिंग एंड वी यूज्ड टू फील सो मोटिवेटेड कि यार कैमरा रिएक्ट कर रहा है तो हमारे लिए तो वो एक मतलब बोनस होता था वी यूज्ड टू वेट कि कब कैमरा ऐसे हमारी तरफ टिल्ट होगा एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू फील लाइक हाँ ठीक है हमें कैप्चर कर रहा भूले नहीं so this was like a plus for us. So no, I did not feel uncomfortable about that at all.
No.
Cameras was the last thing on my head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so cool though, because otherwise मैं अगर ऐसे किसी सिनेरियो में होंगी तो मैं तो कॉन्स्टेंटली इतना कॉन्शियस रहूंगी कैमरे के सामने की, oh it's on me, you know, like
No,
that.
but why do you want that? Don't I, you also as a presenter, don't you want the camera to be on
Yeah,
you?
yeah, definitely. If you're going to a show, you would want as much screen time
Exactly. So I
possible.
think that's what I'm saying. That's an incentive. That's an encouragement.
Yeah.
कि यार कैमरा मेरी तरफ घूम रहा है.
But आप बाहर इतने iconic character बन के निकले हो, it is insane. Every girl is talking about you. Everybody is inspired by your fashion, especially your DIYs, the kind of DIYs you've done inside the show. It is so inspiring. I have a challenge for you also in regards to it later.
Okay. Now that is scary.
How is it scary? What's
It is
so good
because
at it?
I mean I can't perform under pressure. I was doing things out of boredom. कि कुछ तो करना है, कुछ तो एंटरटेन करना है. अब ऐसे प्रेशर आ जाएगा कि करना है तो पता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगी नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
बिल्कुल कर लोगे. I believe in you. आप मुझे एक बात बताओ. After going to lockup, what did you learn about yourself, about your personality?
Everyone has asked me that. I have not learned anything about
No.
myself. Nothing. I've not learned anything that I don't already know about myself.
Patience नहीं आया वहाँ
मैं already बहुत patient हूँ.
Oh,
I'm a very peaceful, very fun-loving, happy-go-lucky person. I'm not stressed at all. I'm very unbothered. I think I was exactly the same like that in lockup. I will only react when I want to react. I take my own time, and I analyze things, and that's about it. So I don't think I've learned anything new about myself after coming out of lockup.
No.
Nothing.
That's
I'm the same old.
Who were your besties in lockup?
Everyone was everyone's bestie.
Yeah.
I mean, at one point of time, सबके dynamics change होते थे. And like I said, जब आप वो limited लोगों के साथ दिन रात spend कर रहे हो, एक point के बाद आप shift होंगे. आप इसके पास जाओगे because now you want someone different. And like conversation भी कहाँ ही जाएगी, कितने time तक जाएगी, कुछ नहीं होगा. तो I think everyone at one point or the other was like कि हाँ चलो इसके साथ मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा chill कर लेती हूँ. But all in all, I think bestie नहीं, but हाँ, I think my comfort was like Pam.
Yeah. She
Pam.
is
Pam was my comfort.
adorable. I love her. I interviewed Pam as well.
I know that.
And that was so cool. I loved her vibe throughout the interview. It was
She is really. She was one person who genuinely took care of. In fact, there were many who took care of me, but yeah, Pam was my comfort.
I love her. I'm actually obsessed with her. She's so cool.
She is.
And we loved your dynamic with her on screen also. It was actually amazing. ऐसी female friendships, like even I long such female friendships in my life, because when you're growing older, जैसे वो लड़कियाँ नहीं होती है जो बोलती है कि ओ मेरी लड़कियों से ज़्यादा नहीं पटती, मेरे तो guy friends ज़्यादा है in my life. So earlier I also used to be, kind of that person, but with time and age and maturity, I've realized that female friendships are really important in your life, that you need female friends. They are like your kind of backbones at the end of the day. And when you're going through something, who do you confide in at the end of the day, right?
Because I think biologically, mentally, emotionally, men lack certain kind of intellectual comfort
Yeah.
and understanding.
इतना
that
evolve ही नहीं हुआ है वो
नहीं हुए हैं
gender.
वो अभी तक नहीं हुए हैं and I don't think वो होंगे भी. So it's like with a female, they just get it. It's just there. They just understand because we all have been going through the same things at some point of our time. So yes, obviously female friendships are something that every woman should long for, and I don't think any girl should ever feel proud about the fact कि नहीं यार मेरी तो कोई फीमेल दोस्त बनती ही नहीं है, मेरे सिर्फ मेल बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स भी अच्छे होते हैं, ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट जो फ्रेंडशिप आप एक फीमेल के साथ शेयर करोगे ना, वो शायद आप कभी लाइफ में किसी और के साथ शेयर नहीं कर पाओगे, बिकॉज एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इवन योर पार्टनर, इवन योर सोलमेट will not fulfill some certain things in your life that a female best friend can.
Yeah, that is so true. Who are your besties in real life apart from, let's say shows and all? क्योंकि shows में तो जाके आपको बनाने पड़ते हैं best friends. आप रह रहे होते हो उन लोगों के साथ.
I have a friend. She's been my friend since forever, like in my school. So that's also a female.
Yeah.
So her name is Parashta. I call her Mamam.
Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah, so she is my best friend. Right now, she's not here with me. she's back in US, and but yeah, like I don't have a lot of friends. I have very few friends, and I'm very tight with them.
Quality over quantity.
Yes, true that. Then
Yeah.
I have another co-actress who's also one of my very closest friends, and there's another co-actor who's also one of my very close friends.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's
I,
so
I do
sweet.
I do have a very small circle of friends.
Yeah, that's actually so nice. हमने इतनी मेल बैशिंग कर दी है, हमारी टीम में सब आदमी है, सब साइड आए दे रहे थे यहाँ
And
तक
मैं
कि
तो
मैंने
उस
कहा,
फेज में हूँ कि मैं तो हूँ मैन हेटर वाले फेज में हूँ अभी तो मैं फिलहाल.
मेरा
तो
भी चल ही रहा है
हाँ,
बहुत टाइम से, बहुत टाइम से
I'm
चल रहा
very
है.
very nice. I like it. I am in that man hater वाला phase. So I can't help it. So tell
Fun.
me.
Fun. Okay, what do I ask you next?
Go ahead. Make it something which is more scandalous.
Scandalous.
Yes, why not? With me in the house, how can you not have scandal?
That's so cool, you know. Wherever you go in, you bring in a lot of
Yeah,
drama.
I do. Either I bring in or I send people out. That is what I do like. I mean, this is what I'm doing of late.
Did you have any अंदाजा of क्या दिन चल रहा है आज, कौन सा दिन है
Oh
क्या?
no, we did not have any andaza. The only thing we used to do is like from the day we entered, we had those markers जहाँ literally हम वो करते थे ना 5-5 का वो बना के
Yeah.
करते थे. We just knew कि हाँ आज इतने दिन complete हुए, इतने हुए. That's about it.
सही बात
Timing
कह
का
रही
अता
है।
पता नहीं है, कुछ अता पता नहीं होता था
कुछ
हमें,
भी
कुछ
नहीं।
भी नहीं पता. The only thing we used to come to know कि सनसेट हो चुका है because हम लोग को सनराइज भी नहीं दिखता था, सनसेट भी नहीं दिखता था, बट इट्स जस्ट लाइक डे से लाइट हो जाता था तो वो हमें दिखता था कि डे लाइट हो चुका है. एंड रात में अंधेरा हो गया है. शाम के टाइम में इतना समझ में आता था बिकॉज द लाइटिंग्स इन द हाउस यूज टू चेंज. सो देन वी यूज टू बोले हाँ चलो मतलब अभी शाम हो गई है. एंड रात के टाइम पे बिफोर स्लीपिंग थोड़ी सी लाइटिंग चेंज होती थी, बट दैट्स अबाउट इट. बाकी हमको कुछ अता पता नहीं है क्या चल रहा है, कौन सा दिन है, क्या बज रहा है, नथिंग.
Imagine it's like an artificial simulation जहाँ पे सबको रख रहे हैं
We
kind
used to
of.
feel like lab rats. हमको ऐसे लगता था कि कोई हमको ऐसा ऑब्जर्व करा. Because fact है, even if you were like lying on the bed,
Yeah.
which like Rebel said
Yeah.
that the camera used to tilt on you and you were being just watched. You're just being watched. At certain point of time हमको वही लगता था कि यार I could so relate. Like I remember I used to always discuss this with the other inmates. I was like कि it's sad, like when you go and visit these zoos, you know, you always find all these animals circling in that cage, in that limited space. We all used to do that in lockup.
Yeah.
We all used to just walk like that, and I used to be like, now I can completely relate to that poor soul who's like trapped inside that cage. Because आप और क्या करोगे, कितना बात करोगे.
सही में. आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि मैं बोर हो रही हूँ, आज मैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी चेंज करती हूँ, लाइक यू नो
ये तो हम रोज करते थे ना. हम बोर हो रहे चलो आज लड़ लेते हैं, आज हम बोर हो रहे चलो आज हम किसी की कुछ तो कर लेते हैं, आज मैं बोर हो रही हूँ आज मैं ये करूंगी, आज मैं बोर हो रही हूँ आज मैं टास्क नहीं करूंगी, आज मैं सारे टास्क हारूंगी. हम तो बोर्डम में रोते भी थे, आज मैं बोर हो रही हूँ चल रो लेते हैं. हम बोर्डम में कपड़े धोते थे, चलो हम कपड़े धो लेते हैं, आज हम इतने बोर हो रहे हैं हम किसी और के भी धो लेते हैं. ये भी होता था हमारे साथ. हाँ.
दैट इज क्रेजी. इट्स लाइक द ओल्डन टाइम्स जब किसी को कुछ करने को है नहीं तो साथ में सब बैठ के
You know,
कपड़े
I
धो रहे
used to always watch Big Boss and I
Yeah.
used to be like, लोग चाय के लिए कैसे लड़ सकते हैं, खाने के लिए कैसे लड़ सकते हैं. But अब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है because when you're that bored, you don't have anything to do, then that is the thing ना. अच्छा ठीक है चलो चाय के लिए लड़ ही गए थे, और क्या काम है, चल लड़ लेते हैं. Now I can relate to all of that. Now
Yeah.
I know why they are fighting, because I'm sure they're not fighting because they want to fight. They're fighting because they're bored. They're like चलो कलेश ही कर लेते हैं.
दैट्स क्रेजी. आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं करा कि लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आप कैमरे के सामने बैठे हो एंड किसी से इन कॉन्फिडेंस आप सीक्रेटली कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो एंड एकदम से द कैमरा इज टर्निंग टुवर्ड्स यू गाइस एंड यू हैव चेंज्ड द कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन.
We tried doing that a lot, but then they were way too smart for us.
Yeah.
There were like 125 cameras in the house, so you couldn't fool them anywhere. हाँ.
डिड यू
हम
कैच
खुसफुसाने की भी बहुत कोशिश करते थे. Like we used to go under the bed sheet and talk, thinking कि अगर दिख नहीं रहा है तो पता नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
But then once we were out, I've seen the clips where I've been inside with Pam and we were bitching, and even that is audible. So I was like, कोई फायदा ही नहीं हुआ.
या बिकॉज माइक्स एंड ऑल ना दे कैप्चर
हाँ, हम
एवरीथिंग.
कितनी बार माइक भी छोड़ देते थे, बट नहीं वो हो ही जाता था.
तो माइक में ऐसे कॉलर वाला था,
वो फंदा था वो लिटरली फंदा था
Wasn't it annoying?
the status bands yes and every time we wanted to take it off they were like please पहन लीजिए the only time we could take off the status band was when we were using the washroom or when we were sleeping otherwise no
Damn, that is insane.
yeah
That is insane. आपने कभी कुछ किसी को नास्टी करते हुए पकड़ा शो में आपके फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स
as
को?
a nasty the only thing nasty happening in the show was these guys partying and there were times when people used to forget to flush
That is crazy.
but then you can't blame them
Yeah.
there were moments when I have forgotten to like lock the washroom because आप अपने घर पे नहीं करते हो
Yeah,
right
yeah.
you are not in that habit to lock it so there were moments when not only with me with few of the other inmates as well where आप अंदर गए हो आप lock करना भूल गए and someone just like you say and they're like oh but ये सब भी बहुत होता था so that was the only thing like the only thing nasty was like people farting people burping and people not bathing and then people forgetting to flush and then maybe forgetting to like latch on the door and then someone just barging in so that's the only thing
So you all did not have any potty police there. Nobody was a potty police.
nobody was a potty police
No.
No.
कोई किसी को कॉल आउट नहीं करता था कि ये क्या है?
हम क्या होता था ना जब इतने सारे लोग एक ही जगह को यूज कर रहे हैं तो पहले ये होता था कि किया किसने है स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुआ तो पहले ये भी एक अलग लेवल का हमारा डिस्कशन होता था ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग होती थी कल तक तो नहीं हो रहा था आज किसने किया होगा अच्छा मुझसे पहले कौन गया था फिर हम ये डिस्कशन होता था कि कौन उठ के कब कहाँ से गया है
Movements track
Movement.
कर रहे
फिर
थे.
देन वी यूज्ड टू डिसाइड कि अगर इस बारे में बात किया तो फिर झगड़ा हो जाएगा तो फिर हम जेनेरिक वे में अनाउंस करते थे कि जो भी कर रहा है वी आर नॉट पॉइंटिंग इट आउट whoever has done it please next time be careful be mindful that there are other people who don't want to see that so do that that's about it
But that is actually so funny. Imagine you don't know these people from before. You are just meeting them and you are seeing their doo-doo in the washroom.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to see other
we used
people's
to always
doo-doo.
we used to actually wait for each other also at times क्योंकि वो limited washroom था so then we used to wait कि अच्छा तेरा हो गया कितना टाइम लगेगा I also want to go so ये सारी चीजें होती थी but वो kind of होता था ना जैसे आप हॉस्टल में या
Hostel
बोर्डिंग
life,
में
yeah.
रहते हो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी हो गई थी उस हिसाब से कि देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन वी फिगर्ड आउट कि यार लड़के तो नहा नहीं रहे तो हम लोग लड़कों के बाथरूम में जाके नहा लेते थे बिकॉज लड़कियां काफी थी लड़कियों को तो रोज नहाना ही होता था
Yeah.
तो ये भी होता था देन वी यूज्ड टू जोक अराउंड टाइम्स वेयर वी वर लाइक कितने लोगों के पूपिंग टाइमिंग क्लैश होते थे हमेशा लाइक दे वर ऑलवेज सिंग्ड
It's so funny how you get to know all of this also about a person कि अच्छा इसका ये टाइम है जाने का.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ आप और क्या
क्या करोगे सही में?
यही
Nothing
तो
to do.
करना है और क्या करोगे
Imagine 10 years later you see an ex fellow contestant and you're like इसके बारे में तो मुझे सब पता
नहीं
है.
नहीं मैं ये कभी किसी के बारे में नहीं बोलूंगी आई थिंक आई एम ओके टू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग अबाउट एवरीवन नाउ आई डोंट वांट टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज थिंग्स
That's crazy. Have you ever been offered to do Big Boss?
आई हैव या
Yeah. Why have you not considered doing Big Boss?
because I don't think I'm ready for such a long span captive reality.
Yeah.
Because 3-4 months is a lot.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm mentally that strong. Like even with Lockup, though it was just a 35 days, 35 episode thing that we were doing. By the end of it, I was mentally exhausted. I
Yeah.
was mentally saturated, which is also visible on screen. So I'm very glad that I didn't go for something like, something like Big Boss, which has a longer commitment.
Yeah.
Because then I will feel, I don't think I will justify myself to that kind of setup.
Makes sense. कभी बीच में से फोन यूज करने का मन नहीं करता कि like
No, I think
phone.
with me, the last thing was I was very happy that I got this break from my,
phone and social
Yeah.
media.
not just me, there were many people who were very happy with this. Like,
Yeah.
they had this nice break from their own gadgets and stuff like that. तो वो एक अच्छा detox हो गया था.
Yeah.
Social media detox सबका हो गया था. And everyone was, all of us were happy about the fact कि अरे अभी पोस्ट नहीं करना, अभी कोई कॉल नहीं कर रहा, अभी ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं
सबके
करना. सब, हाँ.
deliverables.
The only thing that we were missing was music.
Yeah.
music was the only thing that we all were missing.
So wouldn't you all come up with your own songs and
We
all?
used to
Could
sing,
you say
we used to sing.
random?
No, no, we used to sing, we used to sing, we used to dance, we used to chill. Obviously, वो दिखा नहीं सकते थे, but
Yeah.
वो सब होता था. Like to kill boredom, we used to do a
Yeah,
lot
yeah,
of
yeah.
stuff.
Everybody has to.
Yes, yes. The only thing I think everyone was missing was good food, their food, and then music.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
How are the Gen Zs dealing with the phone, not having access to phones and all?
Everyone was fine.
They were chill.
It was a healthy detox for everyone. We all were happy कि phone नहीं बज रहा, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, सबका ही वो था.
That is
That for a
crazy.
change, it's a good thing that okay, you're not bothered, you're not looking at your screen.
I think ये एक retreat and getaway जैसा हो गया.
बहुत अच्छा
rather.
वाला था,
I would
बहुत।
love to go to lockup. मुझे भी कब से कभी ना phone तो छूटेगा हाथ से. My mom's going to be so happy that oh she's without a
No,
phone.
but even in my normal life, I always long for the times कि मेरे को phone operate करने की जरूरत नहीं. And I give my phone to my people.
Yeah.
I always give my phone is always with my team. I'm like मत रखो मेरे पास, मुझे नहीं करना बात.
Yeah. Don't your friends and your family who calls you like almost
My
every day?
family is also touchwood. They understand that I'm not a person. I'm not a phone person. I
Yeah.
cannot talk to you on the phone.
No.
I cannot unless okay fine I have to share some information then okay I might be on the phone with you and I might talk for hours and hours but नहीं ऐसा मैं रोज नहीं कर सकती हूँ at least मम्मी पापा के साथ भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ उनका सिर्फ एक ही कॉल आएगा okay where are you you've reached what time are you reaching home that's about done खत्म
Okay.
उससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं बात कर सकती किसी से नहीं it's like I'm very cut to cut
That's so cool.
if I want to know something about you I might make a plan with you and then I'll sit and you know like we'll chill we'll gossip but phone पे नहीं हो पाता मुझसे
So you're like a woman of few words on the phone. कि
Yeah, on the
cut to
phone,
cut
yes.
बात
Yeah,
करें.
yeah. Max to max chatting. बस उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Yeah. And phone is just for Instagram videos and pics. That's it. Not a phone person at all. I cannot keep in touch with anyone over phone. Can't do that. Can't maintain relations on the phone. Not happening.
No, I'm literally imagining कि जैसे for example आपको important message किसी को पहुंचाना है, so you're like, yeah, 3 p.m. makeup. This is the memo. I'll send it over to you.
This is
Okay, bye.
exactly how I do that.
Yeah.
This is exactly how I do that.
That is so funny.
It's very cut to cut. It's
Yeah.
very cut to cut. Like to the point. Khatam. Like I can't even take, you know, like normally people will just land up calling you up and they're like, कैसे हो
क्या
कहाँ हो
चल
ये
रहा
कैसा
है?
चल रहा है हम ये सोच रहे थे वो सोच रहे थे and then you know then after that they'll come to the point अच्छा पता है ये कर सकती है कैसा I'm like सीधे पूछना don't ask me so many things just cut the chase cut to the point and just tell me what you want I'm okay with that.
That's crazy. Okay, you wanted something scandalous, no?
Yeah, I wanted something
Okay.
scandalous.
Do you have your phone right now?
No, my phone is again with my team right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was the last picture you took?
Of my X-ray. That's my last picture that I've taken.
Does it look bad?
It's very bad. I have a broken rib.
Oh no.
Yes.
Oh no. How much time do you need to recover?
I have no idea. It's so I'm supposed to be on bed rest, but I can't rest.
Are you a restless person in general?
No, I'm not.
No?
No.
I have a very fun-filled rapid fire for you.
Okay.
Actually, it's not even a rapid fire. Here, you will have to rate some of, these reality contestants के fashion choices.
Oh,
आप
great.
उनका fashion rate करोगे. So, I'm going to give you a list of contestants. These are reality contestants. Reality contestants.
Reality.
कोई fake नहीं है इनमें से सब real है. आपको इनके fashion को rate करना है.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start.
Yeah, but then you'll have to show me.
Oh, sure. Imagine.
ऐसे कैसे अब पता ही नहीं होगा तो कैसे imagine करूँ मैं?
I'll give you names that are very popular.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Number 1 is Urfi Javed.
उर्फी तो है ही यार 10 on 10.
Yeah.
I mean, she comes up with the most unique ideas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, yeah, the most crazy, unique, you name it. I think, yeah, Urfi 10 on 10.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Sufi Motiwala.
I love him. 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
10 on 10. I'm biased.
Shalini Pasi.
What is this? She's just DM'd me.
Yeah.
I love her too. 10 on 10.
Yeah. She's
Love
also
her style.
very gorgeous.
Yeah, love her style.
Okay. Hina Khan.
I've not really followed Hina, but I think even she has a very good dressing sense.
Yeah.
Jahan tak, we can say an 8 on 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8 on 10.
Mallika Sharawat.
So I like her presence on screen, but her personal styling, I think I'll give her a 6 on 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, of what I've seen her in Traitors, जितना भी मैंने देखा है, हाँ, like a 7. No, 6 on 10.
Yeah.
6 on 10.
Apurva Mukhija, Rebel Kid.
Rebel. Rebel has good. No, she has a good dressing sense.
Yeah.
Rebel will also be a 8 on 10. Yeah. Yeah.
Akanksha Chaudhary.
Chaudhary. Chaudhary is very good at makeup. I don't know about her styling though, because I've not seen her style. Okay, even Akanksha, I think 8 on 10. Not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, she's good.
Pamela Serena.
Okay, again, I'm biased. 10 on 10.
10 on 10. But her style is actually 10 on 10.
I know.
Yeah, she's really good.
She's very good.
How would you rate Harshad's fashion?
4 on 10.
Yeah, bad.
Very bad. I think Harshad looks very good shirtless.
Yeah.
I don't think he should follow any fashion trend. Just go everywhere shirtless. That's
And
it.
what about Shivangi's fashion?
Shivangi can be a 6 on 10.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Shreya Kalra?
So in the house or outside the house?
In general.
In general, I like Shreya's dressing sense. Shreya can be a 9 on 10.
Yeah.
I really like her dressing sense.
Okay.
I do.
Karan Kundra.
I've never really liked his styling.
Sorry, Karan.
Sorry, Karan. 5 on 10.
5 on 10.
5 on 10.
Tejasvi.
Tejasvi. Okay, Tejasvi, we can give her a 7 on 10. Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
Rakhi Sawant.
I have to give her 10 on 10 for being all crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, for being all crazy.
Yeah. Ori.
I don't really understand his style though, but I think full marks for being out of the box.
Yeah.
I think the kind of style he carries, I've never seen anyone carry that kind of stuff. So 10 on 10 for Ori too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Karan Johar.
मुझे इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है 10 on 10. Here I'm being very selfish. 10 on 10. Why not?
Okay, now this person is not a reality contestant, but is someone who is very like relevant in the fashion industry. Badsha.
Bro, Badshah. He has a very typical Delhi vibe. 4 on 10. मुझे कोई वीडियो नहीं देगा बादशाह के साथ.
मुझे बादशाह इंटरव्यू नहीं देगा.
4 on 10. Yeah, 4 on 10. I think Badshah ka styling is too repetitive.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is the same thing. They are 4 on 10.
Yeah.
Nothing that I've never seen before.
सर आपको नए स्टाइलिस्ट की जरूरत है ऐसा
Yeah.
मैं नहीं ये कह रहे हैं.
नहीं, आपको वैसे जरूरत नहीं. आपको जो पहनना आप पहन सकते हो. ये मुझे रेट करने के लिए बोल रही है, तो मैं अपना ओपिनियन शेयर कर रही हूँ. आप अपना स्टाइलिस्ट कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो और आप मुझे वीडियो में कास्ट भी कर सकते हो. मुझे आपके स्टाइलिंग से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
और मुझे इंटरव्यू भी दे सकते हो आप. हाँ.
प्लीज.
Okay, fun. I loved it. Okay, moving on.
Yeah.
Now I have another rapid fire for you. This segment is called Clock It and Block It.
Oh, perfect.
So,
Let's do that.
Whatever you
Clock
agree with, you
it,
clock it,
and
and whatever
then
you
we
don't,
block it.
block it.
Got it.
So I asked the same thing to Pamela, and
Okay.
she said that she hates it. She blocked it. I want to
Okay.
know your views on it.
Okay, go ahead.
Animal print.
I love animal print.
Yeah,
Clock it.
clock
I'm
it.
biased. I'm biased. I was just about to compliment you on that. I love animal print. Animal person, guys. Animal person.
Yeah.
Any day, animal person. Clock it.
Clock it. Micro bags, tiny bags. Clock it or block it.
Block it.
Block it.
Block it. Block it. No use. No use. You can't carry anything in them.
No.
Nothing.
Okay. Chunky sneakers.
Clock it.
Yeah.
I love them.
Wearing men's clothing.
Love it. Clock it. Clock it. Please
Yeah.
clock it. I am guilty of that. Many times I think I will just end up wearing my brother's t-shirt with
Yeah.
with my shorts or with my skirt, like micro mini skirts. Brothers, fathers, friends, best friends, anyone's. long t-shirts, extra baggy t-shirts, just love them.
That is so cool. Do you also do your DIYs on those t-shirts?
I do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does your brother fight with you after that?
No, I think even in lockup, I landed up borrowing many guys' t-shirts. I think Harshad ke t-shirts मैंने चुराए.
Layered necklaces.
Clock it. I love them.
Yeah.
I love them.
Bra straps showing.
Love it.
Yeah.
I'm on for it. Clock it. Clock it. Since we wear it, we'll flaunt it. Why not?
Sheer dresses.
I wear sheer dresses. Clock it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Metallic outfits.
Clock it.
Clock it. Wearing guys ke boxers outside as an outfit, like as a part of your outfit. Would you clock it or block it?
Block it.
Block it.
Yeah, no, not happening. The crotch thing looks very bad.
It's like a little Doraemon pocket.
Yeah, I don't like that. No, block it. Block. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, it's
TMI,
fine.
too much information.
Okay. Matching couple outfits.
Block it.
Yeah.
Yeah, rather than block it. Don't match.
Twinning with your best friend.
Clock it.
Yeah.
Clock it.
Twinning with Pam.
Clock it. Since I've already done that. Clock it.
Oh, that's so cool. What did you make something for her as well?
No, I didn't. But so when we were in lockup, I think we used to always, try to figure out the hairstyles and stuff like that. We used to try to match things.
That is so cool. That's such a girly thing to do.
I know, right?
Okay. Men wearing pearl necklaces. Clock it or block it?
Block it.
Yeah, it's
Block
so
it. But if you can carry
overdone.
it, you can carry it. But yeah, still block it. No.
Yeah,
No.
that's so overdone.
No.
Those big chunky sunglasses.
Clock it. I love
Yeah.
them. I love them.
And what about tiny sunglasses? Clock it or block it?
See, tiny sunglasses are okay for photo shoots, but I can't just wear them. So I
Yeah.
can block it. Take it. Block them.
Okay, fun. Now, moving on to the fashion segment. I have a confession to make. It's my birthday today.
Happy
Thank you. Okay, now I am also somebody who loves DIYs. I want you to DIY a t-shirt for me in your style. आपको जैसा DIY करना हो, but there'll be a timer.
Oh my god. I think DIY में शिंदे was the best. वो ही तो काटम पुटी वो सब करती रहती थी.
नहीं, आपका भी style कितना crazy था. I thought I've gotten to know that you should see her, this thing, outfits she was wearing, such cool hairstyles you've done, such nice
We
outfits.
used to brainstorm. There has to be some outlet of creativity coming out, right? So that
मैं
was the
आपकी
only thing.
assistant बन जाऊंगी.
Okay, bring it on. Bring it on.
Okay. Okay. Now, since आपको चोट लगी है, मैं आपको मेहनत नहीं कराऊंगी. I'll be your minion today.
And since you're the birthday girl, I have
You
to be good
teach
to
me.
you because I'm a very bad teacher.
We love bad teachers.
I'm a bad teacher. Are you a naughty girl? Okay, let's go. तो मैं पहले demo दिखा रही हूँ.
Okay.
I want the sleeves to be cap sleeves. Can you do that?
Okay. Yes.
So you have to cut from here and you have to go till here.
Okay.
Like that. वो दोनों sleeves काटो.
Two sleeves.
I'll watch.
I'll set a 3-minute
I'll
timer.
supervise you with my peanuts since everyone knows I'm a big peanut fan and chamola eating is something which is trending, so why not?
Love that.
मैं यहाँ पे भी खा रही हूँ guys, देखो मैं यहाँ भी खा रही हूँ.
So I'm setting the timer now. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1, go. इस पे ट्रोल बनेगा कि देखो बर्थडे गर्ल से काम करवा रही है. इसमें भी चमोला का कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, वो बस खाने में इंटरेस्टेड है.
Okay. Sleeve कैसी? यहाँ से ऐसे.
हाँ.
This way. Okay.
Yeah. Make it a cap sleeve.
क्या मैं सही कर रही हूँ already?
नहीं.
Oh no.
रुक जाओ. अरे बुद्धि यूज करो. नहीं फिर ये आई थिंक अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे ना तो टाइम हमारा कम वेस्ट होगा.
हाँ. तो
ये
वैसे
कोई फायदा नहीं है. क्या हो जेंजी वाले हो? क्या हो?
Gen Z, so sorry.
और ये सिजर्स भी इतने गंदे लाए हैं. कैसे कोई इसमें क्रिएटिव हो सकता है? बेबी भी केयरफुल.
बजट कम था.
आप मुझे शो में बुला रहे हो और बजट की बात कर रहे हो.
So sorry. Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Oh my God, do you want to take it on your lap?
No, not my lab, but I want. कि ठीक है हमने कुछ तो फिगर आउट कर लिया. ठीक है. Not bad.
Okay. Should we fold these?
No, don't.
No?
So there's this trick which I've learned when you cut something and when you do this, ये automatically ऐसे हो जाता
Yeah.
है, the fabric. So you just have to cut and stretch it. Do you see that?
That's actually super cool.
Should I open the neck for you?
Yeah, that'll be really cool. It can become off shoulder or something
Yeah.
like that also.
This portion is the most dicey thing to. So you'll have to just cut off this portion.
Okay, the whole, acha, pura round neck.
Just pull the round neck off.
Okay.
At least I think you can manage this. इतना तो कर ही सकती है.
Yeah, इतना तो कर सकती हूँ.
Please, just because birthday girl है.
नहीं नहीं, आप मेरे को पनिश भी कर सकते हो.
वो तो मैं करूँगी. एंड लॉकअप में रह के पनिशमेंट्स खा के
Yeah.
मैं प्रो हो गई हूँ पनिशमेंट देने में. बट दैट्स ओके.
उसको भी स्ट्रेच आउट तो करेंगे.
हाँ बट वो दिखेगा. बट कोई नहीं.
3 मिनट में.
एक्चुअली इसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. शी इज डूइंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब. इट्स द सिजर्स.
Yeah.
हमारे पास सिजर्स के बजट नहीं थे. पिक मिला. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू?
अब आप आ गए हो ना, बजट भी आ जाएगा. Oh no.
डिड वी? आर वी डन?
We're cheating.
3 मिनट हो गए.
हो गए already.
3 मिनट में हमने सिर्फ ये काटा है. What the hell?
हम चीटिंग करेंगे. आज अलाउड है. What was your makeup routine inside lockup? आप क्या करते थे मेकअप में?
जैसे नॉर्मली होता था. Just we used to go very creative with the eye makeup because बाकी सब में आप क्या ही करोगे.
Yeah.
And then I used to go with some bold lipsticks as at times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was there an iconic makeup look of yours that became really viral?
That you would know better than me.
I know already. I want you to, kind of recreate that on me.
Do you have a white liner?
White liner. हो जाएगा range.
Okay, not bad. Okay, so we are done with the sleeves. Now we can give it a good stretch. Okay, go ahead.
That already looks very cool. Wow. Wait. And wear it on top of this only?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's actually looking good.
That's actually looking pretty cool. I'll get rid of this.
This is actually looking good.
Yeah, no?
It's not bad.
I love it. Styled by Akansha Chamola.
This is so cool. It's looking so good on you.
This actually looks
But
great. Can I keep it?
It's also because, I mean, you are so good.
No. This is actually really cool. I love it. I'm actually gonna wear it.
Are you kidding?
God,
क्या
हर
इतनी
कोई
अच्छी
इतना
हो
lucky
रही है. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm loving this.
Yeah, even I love it. And plus
मुझे
it
खुद
goes
पे
with the
believe
leather
नहीं हो रहा है
pants
कि ये
also.
मैंने कर दिया है. ये pants के साथ भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Actually cool लग रहा है.
Oh my god.
Fashion, model, art.
More passion, more energy, more glamour.
But इतना लकी कोई भी नहीं है कि उनको आप स्टाइल कर रहे हो directly.
Oh, ये compliment था.
This is the best birthday gift.
Wow, but it's actually looking
Yeah, I love it.
Not
I'm
because
gonna,
मैंने किया है, but ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
yeah, I'm gonna wear it throughout the interview now.
Oh my god. No, but that's okay. I would love to see the animal print back on. Please, I'm biased towards animal print.
Okay. Now, moving on. Outfit तो हो गया. अब आप मुझे मेकअप सिखाओगे कि मैं इसको कैसे
कितना
better
अच्छा
करूं.
मेकअप तो किया है. ये सेगमेंट हम कैन कर देते. इसका मेकअप बहुत अच्छा है. ये बर्थडे गर्ल है. इसको इससे बेटर देखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
See, the timer went off just now, guys. 3 minutes अभी complete हुए.
हम इसी तरह से आप सबको बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. कुछ भी इतने अच्छा झूठ बोल देते हैं. देख लो.
मतलब 6 मिनट तो लग ही सकते हैं ना.
अरे इतना अच्छा आउटफिट बनाने चाहिए.
Yeah. That's perfect. I love it. Thank you.
You don't need a birthday makeover. You're already so pretty.
मैं यहाँ
You're so gorgeous.
That
I'm
is
just
so
adding. I'm
sweet.
just adding a few. क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली ग्लिटर पसंद है.
Yeah.
मैं थोड़ा सा ग्लिटर ऐड कर रही हूँ.
I love glitter as well, and I love the body glitter on you.
I'm all shimmer and shine, baby.
I love that.
All shimmer and shine. I have literally taken personification of leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That's
Yeah.
me. That's me. I've
That is
taken it way
actually
too
really cool.
seriously.
You know, you should start carrying a little bit of वो powder glitter नहीं होता है अपने साथ में कि आप जब चल रहे हो तो ऐसे थोड़ा
ऐसे
बहुत
स्प्रिंकल करो ना.
या ऐसे उड़ाते हो.
थोड़ा सा उड़ा के चलो.
Yeah.
मैं ऐसे.
You know, that could be your thing.
Henna.
That could actually
Should
be
I
a
spray
thing.
it on you? I have that
Yeah,
spray also.
please.
Oh
I
my
would love that. मैं directly यहाँ से फिर party करने जाऊँगी.
स्प्रे बॉटल होगा लेके आ.
मैं directly यहाँ से actually party करने जाने वाली.
I like it, girl. We are all glitterati's.
That is so cool.
Okay, we have glitter. We have glitter on board.
I'm gonna get a birthday makeover.
She doesn't need a birthday makeover because she's already so gorgeous. But anyways, हम बस थोड़ा सा add करने वाले, थोड़ा सा glitter, थोड़ा सा shimmer, थोड़ा सा shine हम add
Yeah,
करने
you're
वाले.
making me party ready.
Party girl. So come. अब हम लगा रहे हैं ये आई शेडो के ऊपर बस हल्का सा. We are leaving some glitter on so that she remembers us even after we are gone.
Of course. Will you remember me though?
Of course I will. I've never seen anyone pull off this shade of red. I think apart from Katrina, I think you're the only one who can pull this off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the sweetest compliment ever.
Oh, but that's a fact. I'm not just saying it because I have to say it, but really, I mean, this is looking so good on you.
Thank you.
थोड़ा सा eyebrows पे लग गया, फिर वो हम निकाल देंगे.
चलेगा.
Okay. Whoa. It's nice. Wait. थोड़ा सा और. Because why not?
Wait, should I come closer? Because
No,
my
no, no,
hands
no,
are
no. I'm
burning.
fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, so this is looking good. Then we'll move on to a very good highlighter. तो already मुझे blush blindness दिख रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. I'm also guilty of that, so I'm not judging you. I'm very happy. We are just gonna add a little bit of highlighting on your nose, and then some on your cheeks, and then this. I like the freckles that you have.
I drew them.
That's very nice, even if you've done it really good.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. I like the glitter.
ठीक है. Okay, we are all shimmery and shiny. थोड़ा सा cheeks पे भी कर लेते हैं. Okay.
I love it.
Okay, and though you can't at the moment.
Oh, I love it. It's so whimsy. It's giving
It
whimsical.
is. And then you're gonna add gloss to make your lips luscious.
Yeah. I'll put it.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Do I need a mirror for this? No, right?
Even this is glossy.
Yeah. Even this is like slightly shimmery.
Yeah, shimmery. You're the gloss girl.
Yeah.
All shimmer and shine.
I
Okay.
love it already.
Yeah. Perfect. I think we're good to go.
Yeah, I love it already. Do you think I'm fully party ready now?
You are party ready.
Yeah.
Like
Are you gonna
totally.
join me?
I will. Let's go. Let's go and party.
आपको मैं एक व्हीलचेयर में बिठा के
मैं वही
पूरा
बोलने वाली पूरा
घुमाऊंगी
हर जगह में घूमने वाली हूँ.
मेरा दोस्त राजू. You've seen Three Idiots when Raju Rastogi is on bed. जाने नहीं.
Oh wait. Final touches.
Oh
We need
yes.
shimmer on your body too. You're glowing.
I am obsessed. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Till how long does this stay on?
I think it does because it's still on me.
Yeah, it is gorgeous. It's beautiful.
Just look at that.
I love it.
Oh my god. It's like you're festival ready for the
Yeah,
moment.
yeah.
You're not even birthday ready. You're like festival ready.
Festival ready. I do not want to take this off me at all. I love it. I'm obsessed.
Oh my
Can we do a little sisterly pose on the camera?
Let's do that. And then let's do this. I think we did a great job.
Yeah.
I'm very
You've
proud.
done a great
I'm very
job.
proud of myself. There are very few moments when I feel like हाँ मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया ये उनमें से
Oh, this
ये
is
कैसे कर लिया मैंने?
this is iconic. Plus the T-shirt also the way
It
you've
fits
done
you
it.
so well.
Yeah. I'll keep it. Huh? This will
You
be my
should.
gift.
You should. That's
I'll
it.
hang it in my this thing.
With all the glitter and shimmer and everything.
Yeah. You sign it also for me. Can you sign it?
Why not? I will.
That'll be so. Sign the titty.
We are the titties. You know, there's actually a thing called tea club.
Yeah.
I think they're going to edit all of this out. Like इतनी nonsense बातें allowed नहीं
वही
है.
मुझे compliance से पूछना पड़ेगा कि मैंने ये कर तो दिया है.
क्या मैं डाल पाऊंगी?
क्या मैं डाल सकती हूँ?
Where should I sign?
Whichever one you like more.
Are we doing it on the titties?
Yeah, whichever one.
I think I'll go with this one.
Okay.
And I'm giving a heart.
Yeah, that is so cool. I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
I
much
had
for
so
having
much
me
fun.
here.
Thank you so much for taking out your time. We
Aw.
love you. We are obsessed with you. And please give my love to Pam as well.
I will do that for sure. And I'm really liking all the glitter that is there on your face. My God.
My face, my body, I just
Everywhere.
love it.
You're just like, oh,
When
so
I walk out of
sparkly.
When I walk out of the studio, everybody is gonna be like,
ये क्या करके आई है?
ये क्या shoot कर रही थी ये?
ये अंदर क्या चल रहा था? You know,
Crazy.
there's this thing. Well, I have to share. This is TMI, but there's this thing like if a girl is sprayed completely, like her entire thing is full of glitter, so the men actually don't hit on you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why though?
Because this can get transferred, right? And if at all, you know, they are like swinging on different sides and stuff like
Yeah.
that, so they can get caught because the better half or anyone, the partner will be like, ये कहाँ से आया? ये तो मेरा था ही नहीं.
Yeah. जैसे पहले नहीं होता था lipstick mark छूट
Mark
जाता था.
है, ये है. So even
perfume.
glitter, like I've always said, this is the thing that I follow and said, I on purpose put a lot of body makeup so that like whoever wants to get even a little bit touchy, they'll be like, हाँ ये तो हाथ में आ रहा है. This is like a protective shield, girls. This is like a safety hack. Please spray yourself with a lot of glitter. The men will any which ways back out because उनको समझ में आ जाएगा ये छू लेंगे तो ये तो दिख जाएगा. हम पकड़े जाएंगे.
That is such a cool hack. ये अब मैं भी start कर दूंगी
Please do
follow
that.
करना.
Please do that. That is why I'm always full of glitter and glow.
Love it. It's a man repellent.
Man hater phase.
It's a man repellent also.
Exactly.
Glitter
It is
n-
completely man repellent.
Love it.
Thank you.
That was so cool. Guys, this was not a podcast, clearly. How did you enjoy it?
I loved it. I did
Yeah.
makeup, I did DIY, which turned out to be so good. I'm happy
Yeah.
about it. I've signed your t-shirt, which I think I've not. I think the last time मैंने ये किया था वो स्कूल में करते थे ना, फ्रेंडशिप डे पे साइन करते थे ना सब अपने अपने t-shirt पे. This was the last. But yeah, I'm so happy, and then I get to see this red head, which is like so cool. And
Yeah.
someone who's pulling it off so well, and then animal print.
And I got to meet Princess Jasmine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Do you want to say something to the camera?
Guys, keep supporting, keep loving, and nothing. ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहो, इनको भी ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहो ताकि हम और अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें ऐसे करते रहें. And that's about it. Stay positive, stay gorgeous, stay beautiful.
Badsha, she wants a music video.
Yeah, I do want a music video, though it was not on me. I'm okay with your stylist, though. I really don't care.
She wants a music video. I want an interview. We love you.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is Akanksha Chamola and you are watching me on Pink Villa Lifestyle Plus, and this is not a podcast.